trouble here, man, we ain't been everywhere at all. Bill Hickok is over on the base. He makes the tempo swing along with all his style and grace. Go, boy!
Well, you must have got on the wrong stage.
Well, I sure hope so. My name's Hank. I'm a crazy critter, and I play the banjo. It's mighty nice to see you all. I'm glad you came along. I'm gonna introduce the boys to you, one by one. Let's have some of that foot-tapping music. Here we go. Yeah! Now, while Bill Hickok is over on the bass, he makes the tempo swing along with all his style and grace. Go, boy! Ain't that something? What it used to be about 20 cents to the quarter. Go out! That's really devastating, man. Kid cry, oh, we will just fiddling along. He fiddled his hard, he fiddled his hard. Sure can fiddle a song. Go, kid! Go, go! Joe the Crow plays the piano like an ace. A mighty fine player while he's dreaming about the face.
Devastating, man. Devastating.
Well, that really hurt my ears, man. Let's cool things down and tell these here folk about the good old days.
Well, I sure don't think I can handle much of this. Well, I'm gone.
Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom and the skies are not cloudy all day.
Is it over yet?
Home, home on the range.
Just stand there and bat. Only visit saloons and bars. It's terrible smell.
Gee whiz, man! That tough music just leaves me breathless.